Right guys, I've been very busy with this 5-knife build for Brian. He's in Canada and he sent me these 5 different pieces of wood to fit to his knives. So it's been interesting to build these knives, all with mosaic pins. He did primarily ask for red fibre liners, but then he said use your own discretion. So on this this knife here, which I think is some sort of palm, you can see sort of the tubes of the palm. I went for white liners on that one, Brian. I stabilised all these woods apart from this one here. This is Coca-Cola, and that one I did fit red liners to. Very pretty knife. Black liners on that one, Brian. Very pleased with how these have come out. Getting some beautiful finishes now on the flats. The bevels on most of them have been stropped. Some of them need a bit of a strop, but quite pleased with the finishes I'm getting on the knives now. And the edge retention tests are doing really well as well. You can see the plunges on that one. So I'm really pleased. That one's got red liners on, Brian. You can see with the reddish sort of tin in the wood, it's difficult to see the liners there. But anyway, that one's got red liners. So those are your 5 knives. Then the sheaths are almost finished for those. This is my standard sort of sheath with a fire steel loop. Not much more work to do to finish that off. Let's wet form it and stitch it up, and then apply the finishes. And again with the danglers, they're almost finished as well. So that's Brian's 5 knives. I'll take a few photographs so you can have a closer look at them in a minute. And just the other day, myself and Bummy John went to see Lee. And Lee, that's LB Custom Knives, also LB Custom Levers on YouTube. Fantastic, brilliant. It was really great to meet you, Lee, and to see your working processes and the things you do. And he really does try his utmost to produce the highest quality knives and outstanding level work. Really highly skilled young man. So Lee put me onto this. It's a digital thermometer which I'm going to be using to check my kiln, to make sure that the kiln actually fires at the correct tempering temperatures, because I've got a built-in thermocouple on the kiln. It's still quite a new kiln, and just all part of quality control really. So I'll be using this just to check the kiln, to make sure that the kiln hasn't drifted from the program settings that I'm running, to make sure my tempers are all precise and accurate. So thanks for putting me on to that, Lee. It's going to take a lot of worry away, because we always want to do our best, you know, to produce the best product we can. You know, I think every custom knife maker or should have that as that moral in their thought all the time, I think. So that's Lee put me on to that, so I'm pleased about that. It was great to meet you the other day as well, Lee, and see your working processes and the knives you're building. Excellent. And then another thing I want to show you is this outstanding leather work by John Wellings. He's started to make some sheaths for me. This we're going to call it a multi-carry sheath. This particular one, he hasn't got a provision for a fire steel loop yet, but John's working on that, and he may be able to produce sheaths with fire steel loops. He's very cleverly engineered it so that when you unpop that to release the knife, it springs out of the way. He's got shock cord on it, so it springs out of the way, so you're not going to cut it when you position the knife in. And knives fit in lovely, snugly. You clip it round. Like so. Retains the knife There's no way it's ever going to come out of there. With John's built-in danglers, exceptionally well made, hand stitched, wet formed. It's designed so you can undo these clips here, and you can remove the sheath from the carrying system, and then that is designed with the correct spacings. It's got Chicago screws holding it on there. That's designed to fit, is it a molly attachment or something, I think, and with it you can have it in different sort of carrying positions. The Scout carries one, or conventional carry positions. So it's really a top quality product that John's producing, and £60 is what it will cost. And when you consider the amount of materials that's gone into that, and the time it's taken to produce it, I think he's only on a minimum wage. But the quality is outstanding. The leather work, the stitching, the hand stitching, the burnishing, the finishing of it. I think they're going to be available in limited numbers to start off with, so if anyone would like the multi-carry sheath with their Jacklaw, at the moment with no fire steel loop, please let me know and I can get John to build a few up. Or of course, if you want a sheath like that for another type of knife that you've got, I'm sure John would be happy to hear from you, and you could message him direct on YouTube. John Wellings is his YouTube channel. So that's the multi-carry sheath available with the Jacklaw knife now. Imminent knife builds I'm commencing next week. Stephen, Order 109 Aussie Outdoors, Will, Bruce, Nebulax, and I think I'm doing Ants While Camping's coming up for one very soon as well. I want to try and get James next week at some point, so James wants to come and pick it up in person. That'd be great to see you, James. So that's it from me for now. So all that's left to do is to say the usual stay sharp, and I'll put some still photographs up of these knives that I've just completed, just as a little teaser for you all. Thanks for watching, all the best.